Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making classic Czech deli favorite called Hanácký salad. A creamy red cabbage salad that's simple, quick and honestly way better than you would expect from such a short ingredients list. Let's jump right in. First thing we need to do is drain the pickled red cabbage, and I mean really drain it well. I'm using a strainer and even pressing it down with my hand to push out as much liquid as possible. The drier the cabbage is, the better the salad will be, otherwise the dressing gets watery and we definitely don't want that. When it's nicely drained, transfer the cabbage into a mixing bowl. Next we need a small onion. Instead of chopping it by hand, I'm using this little kitchen gadget that minces it in seconds. Less work, perfectly small pieces, and the best part, no tears. If you have ever cried over an onion before, you know exactly why this tool is one of my favorites. When it's nicely minced, add it straight into the bowl with the cabbage. Let's build the dressing. Start with about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This gives the salad that creamy deli style texture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. The yogurt lightens the mayo just a little and adds a mild freshness. Then 1 teaspoon of mustard. Dijon works really great here because it's smoother and not as sharp or sour as regular yellow mustard. And finally, a generous teaspoon of horseradish. Horseradish is actually one of the secret ingredients in this salad. It doesn't make the salad spicy, but it adds a really nice little kick and depth of flavor that makes the whole thing more interesting. Now everything is in the bowl and ready to come together. Give everything a good mix. We want the cabbage, onion and dressing to combine really well before adding anything else. Before adding salt, taste the salad first. Since the cabbage is already pickled, sometimes you don't need any salt at all. Now for the final ingredient, the ham. Take about 3½ ounces of good quality ham. Cut the slices in half first and then slice them into thin strips. You don't want them too tiny, but also not big chunky pieces. Thin strips work best because they mix nicely into the salad and you get a little bit in every bite. Once the ham is sliced, add it to the bowl. Now gently mix everything together again. At this point we are just combining it, not smashing it. The cabbage is already nicely coated with the dressing, so the ham will distribute evenly through the salad. And that's it, the salad is ready. You can serve this salad right away, but it's even better after it chills for a little while. Just store it in a container with a lid and keep it in the fridge. And this is actually one of those salads that gets even better the next day, because all the flavors have more time to come together. The cabbage softens a little, the dressing blends nicely, and everything just stays more balanced. This salad is great with fresh bread, a baguette, or even as a side dish next to a simple meal. If you enjoy traditional European recipes like this one, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who loves trying new foods, and follow the channel for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching Simply Food Recipes, and I will see you in the next video.